When you rent a house, condo, or townhome in Central Texas, about 95% of the time, the tenant is responsible for maintaining the lawn, if present. Yes, many condos don't have yards and the community lawn spaces are maintained by the HOA. However, there are some detached condos with a front yard and backyard, or perhaps there's a small fenced yard. Who is responsible for the lawn care depends on how the lease is written. Almost always, it's going to be the renter. Just like they have to maintain the house by cleaning it, changing air filters, etc., they also must water the grass and cut the lawn. It's rare, but sometimes the landlord will provide a lawnmower, leaf blower, or other equipment to help the tenant. I had a landlord client do that in the past. If the home has special landscaping or the landlord has had a bad experience with tenants in the past, maybe not, maintaining the lawn, then the landlord may want to maintain the yard by hiring a company. That expense is in charge of the tenant, or the landlord may absorb that cost. The cost might also be split between them. Again, it all depends on what is agreed upon by the landlord and tenant and written in the lease. If you have a pool, you may also be required to maintain that with a special addendum and carry extra insurance coverage. I have a landlord requiring that upon my recommendation. Moreover, remember that homes with an HOA will probably have requirements on lawn care, and you or the owner may be fined for lawn care violations. So be sure to read or skim through HOA bylaws before renting or buying a home to make sure you can abide by them. Last, sometimes, or rarely, a landlord might visit the property to check on things. If they see you aren't living up to the lease requirements, you might get a warning or a fine. So okay, that's my tip for the day. If you have any questions, feel free to DM, text, or call me for advice. Happy house hunting.